Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to learn faster. Whether you're a student struggling to keep up with your coursework, a working professional looking to advance your career, or just someone looking to improve your knowledge and skills, these tips will help you absorb information more quickly and effectively. Tip number 1, focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking may seem like a good idea, but it actually slows down your brain and makes it harder to retain information. Studies have shown that when you focus on one task at a time, you're more productive and you produce better results. To focus on one task at a time, start by eliminating distractions like your phone, social media, or other things that can pull your attention away from the task. Another way to focus on one thing at a time is to use the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves breaking your work into 25-minute intervals, with a 5-minute break in between each interval. During each 25-minute interval, you focus on one task and try to complete as much of it as possible. After 4 intervals, take a longer break to rest and recharge. Tip number 2, use active learning techniques. Active learning techniques are ways of engaging with the material in a hands-on way, rather than just passively reading or listening to it. This means doing something with the information you're trying to learn. Some examples of active learning techniques include taking notes. When you take notes, you're actively processing and summarizing the information, which helps you to remember it better. Try to take concise and organized notes that capture the key points of the material. Creating mind maps or concept maps. Mind maps or concept maps are visual representations of information that show the connections between different ideas. They can help you to see the big picture of the material and make connections between different pieces of information. Teaching the material to someone else. When you try to explain something to someone else, you have to organize the information in a clear and coherent way, which helps you to understand it better. You can try teaching the material to a friend, family member, or even a stuffed animal. Tip number 3, break up your study sessions. Studies have shown that shorter, more frequent study sessions are more effective than longer, less frequent ones. This is because your brain can only focus on a task for a certain amount of time before it starts to lose efficiency. By breaking up your study sessions into shorter intervals, you can keep your brain fresh and alert, and also prevent yourself from getting burnt out or overwhelmed. Try to study for 20 to 30 minutes at a time, then take a short break before starting again. During your break, try to do something that relaxes and rejuvenates you, like going for a walk, doing some stretches, or practicing deep breathing exercises. This will help you to clear your mind and come back to your study session with renewed focus and energy. Tip number 4, get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for consolidating memories and retaining information. When you sleep, your brain processes and strengthens the connections between the neurons that make up your memories. Lack of sleep can lead to poor concentration, forgetfulness, and reduced cognitive performance, so make sleep a priority in your daily routine. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Avoid caffeine and other stimulants in the evening, and try to wind down before bed by doing something relaxing like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Tip number 5, stay organized. Keeping your notes and study materials organized can help you save time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Try using a planner or calendar to keep track of deadlines and study sessions. You can also use color-coded notes, bookmarks, or digital tools like Evernote or OneNote to keep your study materials organized and easy to access. Another way to stay organized is to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This can help you to avoid procrastination and make steady progress towards your goals. Try using a to-do list or task manager to break down your tasks into smaller steps, and then focus on completing one step at a time. In conclusion, there are many ways to learn faster and more effectively. By focusing on one thing at a time, using active learning techniques, breaking up your study sessions, getting enough sleep, and staying organized, you can optimize your learning potential and achieve your goals. Remember, everyone learns differently, so don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and strategies until you find what works best for you. Learning is a lifelong process, and with the right mindset and approach, you can continue to grow and develop your skills throughout your life. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.